Want to give your Lego Minifigures an IK rig? First, you will need the Mechabricks Lite add-on. I already made a video about how to download and install the add-on. The link will be in the description. Secondly, you need the EpicFigRig add-on. I put the add-on link in the description. When you open the GitHub website, click on the green code button. Then click on download zip. This will download the EpicFigRig master zip file. You can place it where you want. I keep all my add-ons in one folder, so I'm gonna move it there. Now in Blender, press Ctrl plus comma. Click on add-ons. Click on the arrow pointing down. Click on install from disk. Now navigate to the place where you place the EpicFigRig master zip file. Click on it. And click on install from disk. Now click on the button in the left corner. And click on save preference. Now close Blender and restart it. Now when you press N, an EpicFigRig 2.0 tab should show up. Now we need a Lego Minifigure. I made one in the Mechabricks editor. The link is in the description. Make sure you are logged into the website. Click on Editor. Click on File. Click on Export. Now set Format to Blender add-on. And click on Export. Go back to Blender. Go to File. Then to Import. And click on Mechabricks.ZMBX. Navigate to the file location and select Police with Radio and click on Import ZMBX. To see the textures of the minifigure, click on Material Preview. This might take a bit to load depending on your PC. Now I'm going to do a quick save to make sure nothing goes wrong. So go to File and click on Save As. And choose a file name and location. Now to get the IK rig on the minifigure, expand the empty and select every part model. Also make sure not to select the empty because this will give an error. And click on rig selected minifigure. Now an IK rig has been added. Now select your rig, click on object mode, then click on pose mode. Now you can move parts freely. So when I select this red outline and press G, I can move the leg. If I select the blue outline around the shoulder and press R, I can move the arm. I can even select the hand and rotate it with R. If I now select the blue outline around the head and press R and Z, I can move the head. If I now select the blue outline around the head and press R and Z, I can move the head. Now one problem you might encounter is that items that are being held do not automatically get added to the IK rig. For example, if I move this hand, the radio doesn't move. To fix this, go back to object mode, click on the radio, then shift click on the rig, go back to object mode, now go back to pose mode, the radio is already selected, now select the outline around the hand. And press Ctrl P and select bone. Now when I rotate the hand, the radio stays attached. When I rotate the arm, the radio also stays attached. Even when I move the body outline, the radio also stays attached. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing.